Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Gemini. Sorry, could not connect to the server. Please try again problem. If you face sorry, could not connect to the server, please try again problem in Google Gemini, it happens internet problem, browser issues or account restriction or server problem. Let's see how to fix Google Gemini. Sorry, could not connect to the server problem. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Go to Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 2. Long press or long tap in Gemini application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Gemini app. Update your Gemini application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Again open your Gemini application. You can follow all of the steps to fix Google Gemini. Sorry, could not connect to the server. Please try again problem.